Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. Before we dive into the video, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let us know what you'd like to see us unbox. Next, the Duca Bike parts or the EvoTech radiator guards. Here are some must-know while we take this out the box. E-homologation, sequential light, SMD LED technology, and high-intensity light. Rizoma uses SMD LED technology to ensure compliance with European standards. The Rizoma light indicators is sold separately and comes in two colorways, natural and all black. I like to call it stuff black. The sequential blinking pattern adds valuable visibility and safety. The lines and angle of the vision turn signals will match any modern sport and naked bike. As for brightness, stock can't even compare. Those things are bright. Daytime, nighttime, lit. You will be seen. Rizoma makes the install easier with bullet style connectors and no splice cable adapters for true plug and play connection, sold separately. Rizoma indicators come standard with a pair of resistors 10 and 15 watts to avoid errors in bikes with a control indicator on the dashboard. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. Links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.